I'm going to be showing you how to use Reddit API JavaScript. So to use Reddit API with JavaScript, you usually authenticate with Reddit and then send requests to get posts, comments, etc. So the easiest way is using a library like SnooWrap. So the first thing you need to do is create a Reddit app and get API credentials. So just go to Reddit API. You just need to go to reddit.com/prefs/apps. So make sure you go here. So first you need to log in, and once you've done that, you just need to fill the name and choose script. And after creating it, you can just copy the client ID and client secret. You'll also need your Reddit username and password as we did in the beginning. And once you've done so, you can install SnooWrap. So SnooWrap is the most popular JavaScript wrapper for Reddit. You can use basic JavaScript examples. The script should connect to Reddit and it should get hot posts from JavaScript subreddit and make sure it prints the titles. This will help you post to subreddits. So the important rules is Reddit requires a unique user agent and respecting API rate limits and not using the API for spam. So that's how you use Reddit API JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.